Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to get a vintage Oregon bar, and this bar fits on a McCulloch Super Pro 125. It will also fit on many other large McCulloch chainsaws, 795, 797s. And with slight modification of this bar pad, you can make this work on home lights too. It's a 36-inch 063 gauge. Comes with a new 404 skip tooth chain. And that is a sprocket nose, Oregon sprocket nose bar. If you're running a big old Mac, this is a great bar. And those rails are in great shape. Very vintage, fits all your big Macs, most all your big Macs. If you got any questions, just email me.